Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
I'm sorry.
Hi, Adrit. Started? Adrit, did the school start?
Started like weeks ago.
A week back. Okay. How is it going? What are they discussing in school, Emma?
We haven't discussed a lot about. We just had like a test to show like what do we know, but other than that, we haven't really learned or
But did
studied.
you find that test easy, Adrit?
Yeah, but there are a few questions that might be like related to sixth grade. So
Related to what, Emma?
sixth grade math, like I'm pretty sure it's something that sixth grade. So I had a few trouble on those questions.
I see. Like what? Like what?
Well, I don't know the topic, so
Oh, okay. But don't you remember the questions?
he had like 40, 50 questions. So
That's okay. Srimanya and Riya. Good job seeing you here, guys. Good to see you here.
I have my school started like 2-ish weeks ago. Yeah, I think 2 weeks ago. And this week, so tomorrow's Monday, right? So we don't have school, and then on Tuesday we have the ELR map, and then on Wednesday we have the for sixth grade.
What is that? We have the what?
The map test.
Map test. Hey, I really want to see each section score of yours. Can you tell your dad to send it to me? If you're
Like
taking the map test, I would like to see each of your subsection scores. There are 4 sections. You got it?
uh,
Ask him to send all the 4 section scores. You note it down and come from school. You got it? They may
what do
not
you
give you, but you have to note it down and come.
what do you mean 4 sections?
There will be 4
It's
sections.
like a skills test. It's not really like map, I guess. But it's like a skills test. It's
Oh,
kind of
it's
like
not map test?
I think it is, but it's like they said it was a skills test. I don't know.
One thing.
Did you put audio check?
I see. Okay, guys. Hi, Arnav. How are you?
Good.
Good. What school do you go to, Ma?
I mean, Vanderventure Middle School.
Oh, Vanderventure. Nice to know. Okay. Did you? Okay. So, from which elementary school you came into Vanderventure?
Taylor Elementary.
Which one, Ma?
Taylor Elementary.
Oh, Taylor Elementary. Oh, I know Taylor Elementary very well. Okay. So, guys, for you all, right, I really have a quick test for you today. A surprise test. Can we do that?
yes.
It's a very quick 10-question test. Can we do that?
Also, I didn't hear what you were saying about map test because I joined late because it wouldn't there was joining problems.
No problem, Amma. Okay, I can tell you what it is, but I wanted to get you a small test. Are you going to write map at school?
We already did all 3 maps.
All
for
3
reading.
map tests. Then why don't you send your scores? How will I know? Why don't you send your scores? Can you send?
I
Um,
did my math, but
Huh?
Frisco ISD blocked the scores.
I
What
got 236 on the math one.
on the math 1 200? Yeah. What is your subsection? Algebra, number sense, algebra, geometry.
I don't know. I think
That's what I want. Why don't you send it? Meaning, ask your teacher, she will know, right? Can you send that to me?
okay.
Would you mind sending it to me? Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, I really need that. Then only I'll know what is your strength and what is your weakness, right? Sid.
All I don't remember the exact score, but I know I was kind of having trouble with geometry.
You were having trouble with geometry. That's fine, but I just need to know that, right?
Everything else I was okay.
I see. Okay. So can I go ahead and give you the test now quickly? Can
Yeah.
I go ahead and give you the test now quickly?
Yeah.
Okay. So there are some questions that if they don't appear correctly, you have to let me know which questions don't appear correctly. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? If it asks to plot, you don't have to plot, but at the same time, I really want to make sure the question is answered. Meaning the question there is answered. Meaning the question that's given is answered. You don't need to plot or graph. You got it, Ma? Okay, so can I give the form, can I give the, but we'll time, guys, we are not going to do it forever. You got it? We are not going to do it forever. You're just going to finish the test quickly in 15 minutes. Okay, so can I send the form? Arnav, we have covered some units, right? We are taking a test on it. Whatever you know, can you attempt?
Okay.
Any questions on the homework?
Wait, you're sending it
Yes.
in Google Classroom?
No, now here. Okay, I will run a timer. I want it to be done so that we can continue with class. I do not want you to be sitting in the test for the whole class. Make sense?
Wait, where
Does
do
it-
we access the
Yeah.
test?
What is the problem?
Like, where do we access the test?
See the comments. See the comment window. It's exactly 15 minutes. I want the extra bit of the class. I can't allocate too much time.
Wait, where's the comment?
Oh, I didn't send it to you. Let me see.
I
I make a mistake.
like
Yes,
the chat.
I sent it only to one person. I'm so sorry, guys. Arnav, don't worry about the test. As soon as you come in, I'm giving you a test, right? Very
Yeah.
mean teacher. Don't think
I
like
got
that.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we are just trying to have a test for whatever they have done, the others have done in class. So they will do this test and we will continue as is. Ria, don't worry about the test. Srimanya, don't worry about the test. Do whatever you know. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, but for the others, it's a test.
Wait, it won't let me open it.
Why?
Priya, it won't let me log in to my account. I mean, to my dad's account.
Why, ma?
Is it like a show what you know?
Yeah, show what you know. Yes.
Yeah, it won't.
Yeah. So can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, please be quick. Whatever
Oh,
you
it actually did open, but I was in full screen, so it didn't like open the Chrome window.
Ma, are you able to take the test or not? I'm going to start the timer.
Yeah, I'm ready. I have it.
Ready? How about Adrit? How about Pranavi?
It won't let me log in, so I don't know.
You have to check with your dad. The form is readily accessible for the others.
Yeah, I started the test, so I'm doing
Okay, good. I'm going to start the timer. And how about Tanishka? Please, Tanishka, you have to rename yourself. You know me, right, ma? Because then I'll ask you to, meaning start calling you Yekata. Can I rename you? Kanishka, go ahead. Are you able to access the test? Arush, are you able to access the test?
Yeah.
Arush, I saw your homework, which was awesome. Good job. Did you have any questions? Arnav and Riya, you've switched off the video. It's a little difficult for me, ma. You have to be on the video through the class.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes, ma.
On the first problem, there's two parentheses with an A. Does that mean absolute value?
No. Question number A. Classify each as a whole number, integer, or rational number. -7 is what? 0 is what? 58 is what? You got it?
Can you send me the link again?
Can I send you the link again? Why am I? You didn't collect the link? Timer is
did, but
running,
then
guys.
I had
I
to-
will permit you only for the timer time. Timer is running. I will permit only till the timer ends. Then I have to go with the class. You are all going to show whatever you know. Srimanya, did you get it now?
Yeah, I got it now.
Good job, ma. It's just a 10 question test, right, guys? So you should be able to do it quickly. It's not a hard one.
Wait, but if we finish early,
First finish, ma, then we'll talk.
I still didn't get the link.
What you didn't get?
The link.
Who didn't get the link, guys? Who didn't get the link? Who didn't get it? Srimanya, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Izzy got it? Priya got it? Arnav, did you have the link? So this tells me what you know. You should always have a pencil paper with you guys. When you write the
Okay.
test, you should always have the notebook, math notebook with you. Otherwise, you can't solve these. It is not staring at the computer and doing it. I need to see your paper and pencil.
Okay.
Working it out. If you want to show me the graph, you can show me as well. It's only a 10 question test based on what you know already nicely. And it's okay not to know. There's a timer running. It will end at the correct time. We
Yeah,
will have surprise test. Yeah.
So do we just say for number 1, do we just like say A equals or -7 equals?
Yeah, correct, ma.
A equals?
Uh-huh. Yeah. A answer, B answer.
Oh, okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
what does the arrow sign thing mean?
Arrow sign means power.
Okay.
Power, ma. You can just say the answers. That's fine.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
how do you do the first question? Like, how am I supposed to write it?
Why A answer, B answer? A answer, B answer. What is difficult about it, ma? Where are you stuck? You can tell me. I'll help you.
Like, do we need to say like what it is?
Yes.
Why is this?
What, ma? Use order of operation, guys. Use order of operations.
I have a question.
Yeah.
For number 3, is it saying just like which is farthest from 0 or plot them like -4, 2 point
I
something?
told you, right? You don't have to plot anything, ma. You just need to. Yeah.
Just see which one's farther from 0.
Yes, correct.
No, that's okay.
Does the parentheses mean absolute value? Because there's a line. There's actually just a straight line button on the
Yeah,
keyboard.
straight line is always an absolute value, right, amma?
Yeah, but does
Yeah, really
parentheses
fast.
also absolute value?
No, parenthesis is not absolute value.
Uh,
Parenthesis is not absolute value. Did I clarify your question, guys?
still gonna get the.
I don't know.
You don't know, you can say I don't know. No problem at all. I will really understand where are we on your 6.2 and 6.3 standards in Texas.
Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
For number um 5, it's saying what is their vertical distance? What does that mean?
Aha. You tell me, what is the vertical distance means what? A
Does it use
submarine is
the-
minus 20 feet and a buoy means that floats on top of the water is 35 feet. What is their vertical distance? What is the distance
Basically,
between the
like-
buoy and the submarine?
So minus 250.
Please, please, please. You will have to think, figure out, draw, then find the distance between them.
Wait,
Put it in a number line. Put where the boy is on the number line. Put where the submarine is on the number line. See how many units apart are they vertically. Vertically means when you're standing, what is their vertical distance?
wait, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
When you write for the answer to prime factorization of 72, do you just
Priya,
write
please.
prime or composite?
Ria, please see you cannot take the test now. It's already 7 minutes only remaining. So I'll give you the test afterwards. You can do it in at home later. You
I have
got
a que-
yes, Masid, sorry.
when you type the answer to question 9, do you just write prime or composite?
Okay, just say prime or composite. That's fine.
Okay.
In that question, just say, is it a prime or composite number? That's fine for me. Actually, that was not the intention, but you can just say, that's fine. Absolutely okay. Just say whether it is prime or composite. You don't have to do anything else.
Okay.
Ria, can you go to the comment box, ma? Meaning chat box? The link was sent to all. Why are you not able to follow that? Let me see. Go to the ask your mom to come. I'll help you because all others are writing the test and I have 5 minutes time. Can you ask your mom to come? I can help you. Ria. Okay.
Your voice keeps on breaking.
What am I? Adrit. Yeah, you are there. Okay. I just want to make sure you're there. You don't run away when you're doing the test. You'll finish and go. I didn't see you on the video. Thank you. Arnav, you're good?
I finished.
You finished, Sid? Wonderful. I can check yours. Right away I can check because I do have the time I can check.
Is prime factorization like basically all the factors?
No, Ma, you can just say whether it's a prime number or a composite.
Oh, 72?
Yeah.
Miss Priya.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, on some of the questions, there's like a bigger or there's like a greater or less than sign, but like going downward. What does that mean?
That means power, 2 power 3.
Oh, okay.
Got it? That is always used to say 2 power.
Okay.
Did I clarify your question?
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
No problem, Ma. Guys, okay. Once the timer is done, I would ask you to submit. Whatever you have, you will submit.
I'm done.
Yes, I can see 3 of you submitted. Sid, I did send your scores as well. Okay. Arno, you have done whatever
If
you
I
know.
refresh, will it come?
It'll be in your emails, ma.
Okay. झालं submit आलं.
Okay. Arnav, I'm not getting yours. Okay, let's see. You have 2 more minutes.
Okay, I'll go see if I can. Okay, check it in. Alright.
I'm submitted.
Yeah, I'm getting an insight of what you know. Good job. Arnav, good job letting me know, what you don't know. How
Okay.
about, yeah, that was good. So I'm not going to send the scores to you, but I do know, okay. Others, yeah, ma?
If you don't finish in time, what do you put for the I'm on the last question. What do you put for that?
0 or I don't know.
I'm just gonna put
Yeah.
Yeah, I submitted mine.
Okay. We have 1 more minute and I'm going to discuss the question paper so that each of you, whoever has not been here, will scale up slowly. Let's see. There are okay. I'll discuss the questions that most people made mistakes on first. Okay. Frequently missed questions. Let's see.
Time was a very long one.
Okay, guys. Now you're all going to submit it. Let's move on. Yes, Srimanya, I saw your. Kanishka, did you submit?
Priya,
Yeah.
there were 2 questions that I didn't know, so
Doesn't matter. You can say IDK. Submit it.
I had to submit it and rush.
Huh?
Like for those 2 questions that I didn't do, I had to submit and rush. So
Okay, guys. Let's move on. Okay. Okay, let's move on. I'll share the question paper with you. I'm going to go over those questions. Can I go over those questions now?
Yeah.
Can I go over those questions now? I really want to go over those questions. Let's go over.
Yeah.
Yes. So there are, meaning the new kids did not know some. So it's important that we go over as well. Let's see.
Why is
Okay,
the timer still going?
timer, let it go, right? It should not make a mess with you, please. Let's move on, okay? I can switch it off, but it's just a waste of time. Let's move on now, okay? I don't want the timer to come.
I have a question.
Sma?
I have a question.
Go ahead.
So some of the when you sent the score, some of the questions, there was a check mark, but it said, I got the answer incorrect.
Not really. It shows you in red, but it gives you the points. Did you see that, Sid?
Yes.
So the points were counted. Even though it shows in red, it gives you the points. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, guys, when you think about the test, right? I'm going to go over. If there is something that you really want to ask me, ask me. The fifth question was a challenging question. The fifth question, guys, all of you listen. The new people definitely listen. A submarine is at minus 250 feet and a buoy at 35 feet. I asked you to draw this, right? So let's say this is 0 on the number line. This is 35 feet above, there is a buoy. Okay, this is at 35 feet. This distance is 35 feet. Okay. Now, a submarine is at minus 250 feet. So, the submarine is submerged here. So, submarine is here. So, it is at a minus 235 feet below, meaning 235 feet below. So, this is minus 235. This is at plus 35. So, what is the distance in units between the two? Arnav, can you help? What is the distance between them? Guys, I'm going to stop accepting responses. Hereafter, I won't accept responses. Make sense? I'm not going to accept responses further.
Priya,
Yeah?
it's supposed to be 250, but it's 235.
Oh, 250. I'm sorry, ma. 250. Yes. Supposed to be 250, right? So this is 250 feet down. This is 35 feet up. So what is the distance between them? What do you all think, Pranavi? What do you all think?
To
Uh-huh.
80.
Exactly. See, from submarine, I have to go to the buoy. First, I have to climb 250 feet and then I have to climb 35 feet.
It's
So
like I hope
basically,
it's
285.
exactly 285 feet is the vertical distance between the buoy and the submarine. Arnav, did you follow that?
I followed the first step, but instead of adding, I subtracted.
Hey, I know that, Ma, but do you understand why, how to find out distances?
Yeah.
So the thing is, see, from zero, it is beneath the ocean, this up above the ocean. As a result, the way you need to calculate the distances from the submarine, you go to the bottom of the river. So this zero, that is 250, correct? And after that, you have this 35 feet climb up to the buoy. So the total distance is 250 plus 35. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how to order this? Plot this on a number line, right? When I plot it on the number line, 0, 1, 2. So this is 1, 2, 3. 2.5 is here, right? Minus 4 is where? Minus 4 is here. 0 is here. Now, which is farthest from 0? From 0, what is the distance in units? Whether it's negative or positive, the distance is always positive. The distance is always positive. From 0 to minus 4, the distance is 4 units. This is where we say the distance is absolute value of minus 4. What is this absolute value? Absolute value, we put it in pipe symbol. Whatever is inside, whatever number is inside, the number of units to reach from origin to that number. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the absolute value is always a positive. Guys, there's a lot of noise. I
Oh,
will
sorry.
mute. It's okay, doesn't matter. Make sure you mute yourself. That's all. I don't know. Not able to mute Aniket. Aniket,
I think it's your background that's a little noisy. I
Emma?
think.
What? Aniket, mute yourself. Wait, Amma. Pardon me, guys. Aniket. Aniket, can you mute yourself?
Yeah.
Can you mute yourself?
What?
Can you mute yourself? Okay, that's better. Okay. So when you plot this on a number line, let me go ahead and share my screen with you on the board so that it is clear for you all. Suppose I give you more problems like this, you should be able to do. Let's find out. Okay, guys, let's see. Suppose if I give you problems like this, let's see if you're able to do. Suppose if I ask you to order a few negative numbers and positive numbers, you should be able to order it well. That is the intent. So let's say this was a problem given, right? Let me go there. Are you all able to see my board? If I ask you to order -4, -5, 1, 2. Now, here on a number line, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Kanishka, which is the largest number of the lot, ma? Which is the largest number of the lot?
2.
2, good job. 1 is here. -5 is here, -4 is here. Remember, when you go to the left, value decreases. Smallest value decreases when you go to the left. Value of a number increases when you go to the right. Value increases when you go to the right. What is the smallest number here, Srimanya? What is the smallest number in this lot?
-5.
-5. Good job. I know -5 seems to be a bigger number than -4, but that's not true because -5 is on the left. It's the leftmost on the number line, right? So that is the smallest number. This is the highest number. Now, what is the absolute value of -4? Riya, what is the absolute value of absolute value means distance from 0. So absolute value of -4 is always positive. How many units, Maria?
4.
4 units. Good job. So absolute value is 4. Now let's say I have a fish, swimming, okay, at -50 feet below the surface of water. You're going to draw and tell me. Okay. A plane is flying. A plane is flying 1,000 feet above the surface of water. What is the vertical distance between them? What is the vertical distance between them? Answer in chat, guys. Arnav, do you know how to access chat? Sri Manya and Riya, do you know how to access chat and answer the question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arnav, do you know how to access chat and answer the question?
Yeah.
Good.
I said my answer.
Good, guys. Sid correct. Pranavi correct. Aniket correct. Please draw. If you're confused, draw it out. Kanishka, distance is always positive.
It's
Huh?
disabled for me. I'm trying to, but it's not letting me.
Good job. Nice catch, Arnav. But you know what? Go to the chat window. Go to the left corner top. There is a blue box. Can you click on it? The chat is disabled so that you are not able to chat with anyone else in the class during class time. But you can always chat with me if you click on that blue box. Did you get it, Ma?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Send the answer to me. Kanishka, that's correct. Tanishka, that is incorrect. Riya, that's incorrect, ma. Riya, yeah.
Wait, are you saying like the question what is the vertical distance for both of these?
Yeah, what is their vertical distance means? What is the distance
Oh,
from
are
the
you
fish to the plane?
supposed to add it?
For the plane, not for
It below the surface
Distance
of
of the
water.
fish to the plane. You want me to draw and show you? I can give you clues. Let's see. What I'm asking is, there is a river. This is my river.
Is it 1050?
Yeah, let's see. Okay, this is a fish. This fish is at a distance of 50 feet from the surface of water. So it's the distance is 50 feet, but when I put it on a number line, this is 0, this is minus 50. Now, a plane, right? This is a plane, okay? It's flying up. This is, when you put it on the number line, when the distance is considered, it's 1,000 feet above the surface of water. But when I put it on a number line, it's plus 1,000. What is the distance between this plane to the fish? What should I do if I want to go from the fish to the water surface? I will climb 50 feet and then I'll go 1,000 feet. So what is the distance?
1050.
Yeah, plus the 50 feet gives you 1,050 feet is the distance between them. Priya, did you understand? Yours was incorrect. Arnav, now did you get it, Arnav?
Yes.
And one thing, Arnav, to note, it's not a negative. It's not a negative. The distance is always positive, right? Absolute value of that is the distance. How many units are they apart? Since they're asking,
Oh,
so it's always a positive number. Got it?
yeah.
Riya and Tanishka, you cannot subtract that. Given the situation, you cannot subtract that. You got it? Okay, another question. I felt this was difficult for you guys because in 6th grade, when it comes to order of operations, you will have to definitely do power. Power, meaning you have to, let's see, wait. How about this? This question was in the test. Many of you didn't do it correctly. Now, Srimanya, guide me, Srimanya. Which one will you do first? Do you know about PEMDAS? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. First, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, same priority, addition, subtraction, same priority.
Okay.
Suppose if you have an expression where you have multiplication and division together, which one will you do first?
Multiplication.
Not really.
Or division, then multiplication.
Not really. You have both multiplication and division first. How do you decide which one to do first?
Oh, I know.
Which one?
You just go left to right.
Ah, you go left to right because you don't know which one to give. Both are equal. It's like two eyes for you. Which eyes will you give preference? You cannot say right. So you'll go from left to right. This is 8 divided by 1, which is 8. Here it is 2 times 4, which is 8. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
So similarly, when you have addition and subtraction, which one will you give preference for? Same thing, addition and subtraction carry same weightage, right? Go from left to right. You got it? Okay. Now, what is this, guys? Arnav, do you know what is 4 square?
Yes.
What is it?
I think so.
What is it?
Answer it.
16.
Good job. How about if I say 2 cubed? Do you know what is it, Arnav?
Uh, 8.
How did you do that? This is called the base. This is called the exponent. You know what does that mean? The base gets repeated this many times, but then it's multiplied with each other. So answer is 8. That being the case, what is 2 cube, Riya?
What?
What is 2 cube?
8.
8. Good job. See, here, this is an expression. There is no equal to sign. When you see that, there is a set of numbers, some operations are there. Such things are called expressions. You need to know what I am talking if I talk to you about expressions. Now, suppose if I say 2 plus 3 equal to 5. There's an equal to sign. I have to call this as an equation. If I just say 2 plus 3, see, there are numbers and operations, that's all. So that is called as an expression. They both are very different. Only when you have this equal to sign, it's an equation. Without the equal to sign, it just remains as an expression. 5 is an expression. How about this? 2 plus 3 is a numeric expression. It's only numbers, right? Numeric expression. Whereas if I say x plus 3 equal to 5, I am inserting letters, alphabet letters into my equation. This x plus 3, if I just write it like that, it's called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. If I have 2 plus 3, just numbers, right? Numeric expression. But whenever I insert an equal to sign, let's say 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This is an equation. Make sense? Similarly, this one totally is called an equation. Pranavi, did you get that? Srimanya, did you get that?
Yeah.
Now let's go back to our PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Can I do this question on the board?
Yeah, go ahead. Good job, Ma. Good volunteering. Go ahead and try it on the board. So she wants to do it on the board. The question reads 2 cube plus there are parentheses. So first we need to understand which one are we going to give importance. First, what should be done? Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Wait, Pranavi,
Okay.
she chose this parenthesis and evaluated that to 6. Rest of it
So
is copying.
then-
Rest of it, see, she's exactly copying. Go ahead, Ma.
Then you do these, I think, first.
Which one? Parenthesis always goes first. You have to
Oh,
remove
yeah.
all the parentheses. No.
Um,
Remove all the parentheses.
This one.
Aniket, what is minus 4 square? I want you to help Pranavi. What is
It's
what is minus 4 square, Aniket?
minus 16.
It's 16.
Good job. Pranavi, it's 16. Pranavi, I'm glad you're helping. Good job, Aniket. Pranavi, minus
Yeah.
4 times minus 4 is what, Ma?
16.
16. So this, remove the parenthesis, Ma. You're removing the parenthesis, correct? So the minus 4 square is a 16. Good job, Ma Pranavi.
Then,
Good job. Thank you, Aniket.
then
Good.
you
Yes.
do, which is 8.
Good job. Now what do you do? 8 plus 6 minus 16. Riya, which one will you evaluate? 8 plus 6 minus 16. Can you help Pranavi?
I don't know.
Which one will you do first?
8 plus 6.
Good job. Why? Addition and subtraction is there. Why that you're doing it first? Why would you do that first?
I don't.
Shout out, Riya. If you don't know, you don't know. I accept. I have to respect your answer. Don't worry. Why should you do 8 plus 6?
Because, oh wait, are you asking me?
I'm asking Riya or Srimanya.
Oh, because left to right.
Left to right. Good job, guys. Left to right. Addition and subtraction, if it is there, they both carry the same weightage. They are like your two eyes. So you have to go from left to right. 14 minus 16, which is a minus 2. Did you all get it? Okay, good. How about this? Okay, any other questions you wanted to discuss in the test? Anybody?
None so
So,
Okay, how about
the
this?
last question, yes.
Yeah, the last question. Yes, that's what I was about to discuss.
Can we also do the first question?
First question. First question. Yes, who asked that? Who asked that?
Shimon.
Srimanya asked that. Okay. Definitely I'll do. Okay, let's see this one. Let's do this one. First and the last question I'm going to do. Okay, that way we review what is the gap. The question asked for this one. The question asked for this one. All of you, the newcomers, particularly, you have to listen to this because the people who have already been here clearly know. Classify each as a whole, integer, or rational. Guys, we always start with the smallest group of numbers, the counting numbers. What is that? Starts from 1 to, goes on 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called counting numbers. Please, you have to listen. Then you have whole numbers. Whole numbers includes all of your counting numbers. Additionally, it includes 0. Then, guys, if it is noisy at your end, I think it's important to mute yourself.
Miss Priya, on
Go
the test, for C was 58, not 58.
Yeah, C was 58. Yes. Yes. So what type of a number is it, Aniket?
Counting and
Counting number.
whole.
Yep. Suppose if they ask you for 3, you cannot. I would always want you to, guys, you're all in noisy locations. You have to mute yourself. Otherwise, I'll mute all of you and not let you answer. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4 are counting numbers. Whole numbers will constitute all of your counting numbers and add 0. Then come the integers. The bigger circle always has all the inner circles. Integer constitutes negative numbers are the extras, meaning -4, -3, -2, -1. Then it goes on the left, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Like that it goes. But integers also include whole and counting numbers. If I ask you for 0, you should always tell the innermost circle. What is that number? And then you have fractions and decimals coming in. 1 by 17. Decimals with patterns. Decimals where you know the pattern of repetition, or 1.25. This does not repeat. This repeats, but then this repeats. The 3 repeats. 1.3333. That's why you have a line here, right? So this one, when you know the pattern of repetition, these are called rational numbers. They have some sanity. They are rational. They have some sanity. They are sane numbers. But there's another group of numbers which are irrational, insane numbers, like square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, pi.
You mean irrational? Insane. That's what you said.
Yeah, irrational, insane, correct. But this entire group of numbers belong to a number system called real numbers. You should know this, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, suppose if I ask you, what is 1 minus 1.25? What type of a number is this?
Rational.
Rational, because it's not an integer. Integer means it should be whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, or minus 1, 2, 3. But now this is a partly decimal and a negative number. So this belongs to this variety, rational numbers. Got it? How about square root of 17?
Irrational.
Irrational. The number is insane. You don't know what it is, right? Insane numbers. Arnav, are you following?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. The last one. See, I'm not teaching this. I'm reviewing this from the test. You got it? So slowly you'll have to catch on. Okay. Now let's see. Now, how about this? A recipe needs 2/3 cup sugar per batch. One batch needs 2/3 cup of sugar. 2/3 cup of sugar. I have 3 2/3 cups of sugar. So how many batches can I make? What is the operation I need to do? I have to split it into 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. How many batches I can make?
You have to do 11/3 divided by 2/3.
Divide by 2/3. Aniket, can you help us with this? What is 3
Okay.
by 3? 11/3. How do you divide fractions?
You have to change this one into its reciprocal.
Good job. You have to change this into multiplication and then flip the number that's coming after. So it will be 3 by 2. Good job, Aniket. That would be 33 by, what is it?
33 by 6, which is 5.
Good job. So it will be, I can make 33 by 6 is 11 by 3, which is,
By 2.
what is it, ma?
11 by 2.
11 by 2. Good job. So 11 by 2 means 11 by 2 is 5.5 batches. So 5 whole batches. Srimanya and Ria, did you understand the division of fractions?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now, guys, I really wanted to cover a little more in our PDF, which I never did. I'm going to go
You
back.
said that you would go over the last question.
Last question was this, a recipe.
No, it wasn't.
But it had like the power.
No.
Okay, guys. There was a typo in it. I will make the score for that question to be equal to 0. Make sense?
Yeah.
I'll make the score of that question to be equal to 0 and rescore. Make sense? Sid, I will correct that and send the score to you. Does that make sense, Sid? So I just changed see, the thing is, it did not print it out properly on that form. That's it. Okay. So but do you understand how to do this? Let me give you a similar question so I understand whether you know. A recipe needs 1 by 6 cups of flour. I have 10 cups of flour for cups of flour for a batch. How many batches I can make? How many batches I can make? How many batches can I make? Can you tell me, guys?
60.
Ma, please, you're never going to shout out in my class. You will have to send it in chat and we will have to respect each other's answers.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it.
Wait, I said 3.
I really need to know what each of you are doing. It's not just one. And we are not going to mess up with the other answers.
Since you already told the answer, I'm just gonna show my work, okay?
Yes. I'm waiting for answers from all of you. I will expect answers from all of you, or I don't know. Aniket, please do not jam the chat like that. Ria, can I get your answer? Arnav, where are we?
Wait, I'm answering it.
Yes, ma. Pranavi, correct. Tanishka, where is your answer? Izzy, where is your answer? Izzy, did you understand the submarine and the boy?
Huh?
Did you understand the how to solve the question of the submarine and the boy?
Yeah.
But you had answered it incorrectly even for the fish and the plane. Did you understand now?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now, Arnav, how did you do this, Arnav?
Uh, I added 10 cups to the 1/6, then I simplified it.
Why did you add? A recipe calls for this much sugar, this much flour. 1 by 6 cups of flour needs to be there. I have 10 cups of flour. How many batches can I make? I asked. So I asked, how many 1 by 6 are there in 10? What operation should you do?
Multiplication.
What do you think, Tanishka?
Division.
Division. So you have 10 cups of flour, right? This 10 cups, you're going to split it, divide 1 by 6. How many 1 by 6 are there in this 10? That's what you're going to do, Arnav. So you're going to divide 10 by 1 by 6. How do you do it? Ria and Srimanya. Yeah, go ahead, Arnav. What will you do?
You first even it out by the denominator.
Yeah, first I'll change the division to multiplication and then flip. Flipping is what? You will write the reciprocal. 1 by 6 is there. 6 by 1 is the reciprocal. You will multiply by its reciprocal. So, how many batches can you make, Arnav?
60.
60. Good job. Now, I'm going to move on, guys. I'm going to go to your Google Classroom. Give a minute.
Need.
1 second.
Sakshidam.
Let me go back to your Google Classroom. Okay, last week we are left with, there's an exercise that we are doing, right? We did not do it fully. Do you all remember that, guys? I don't know whether you remember. Anyway, the first 10 questions we did, right? Let's go over this. This is very similar to the question we solved. Let's try this one. This is exactly similar to the question we have just now solved. Miss Sherman is preparing 5 by 8 cups of rice. She plans to use 1 by 4 of a cup for each serving. She is going to give 1 by 4 cup, 1 by 4 cup, 1 by 4 cup, 1 by 4 cup, 1 by 4 cup. So can you now tell me how many servings of rice is Miss Sherman preparing? First of all, please answer in chat what is the operation? What operation are you going to do? First answer that in chat. Kanishka, would you be able to say which operation? Can you send it in chat? Good job. Tanishka, you can go ahead. Adrit, you can go ahead. Others, you need to tell me what operation you're going to do. Good job, Pranavi. You can get going. Arnav, very good job. You're splitting that 5 by 8 into 1 by 4s. Good job, Arnav. Go ahead and do.
I'm confused.
Tanishka, correct. Aniket, correct.
I need help. I
What-
need help.
Same. I need help.
What help do you need, Sid?
I'm confused
Did I get
on
it?
what
Did I get it?
operation.
Okay.
Did I get it?
Let's do. Wait, Amma, I'm talking right, Pranavi. I've always told you. Okay, so see, Sid, Miss Sherman is preparing 6 cups of rice. She plans to use 2 cups for each serving. How many servings of rice is she preparing, Sid? If I make that fraction into whole numbers, are you able to solve?
Oh, I think I know the operation.
That's what I'm saying. If you have fractions and if it is confusing, put them into whole numbers and try, guys.
Right.
You will know what to do. Aniket, I will check.
I get it.
I sent the operation.
Uh,
I sent it.
now, Pranavi, I'm going to check yours. You have the answer, Pranavi?
Wait, Priya,
Yama?
you say operation. Do you mean like for me to solve it out and show you like how I solved it, or do you mean like what I need to do?
I want the operation that you're going to perform on the numbers first. You're going to divide. Why you're dividing? You're taking how many 1 by 4s? How many 1 by 4s are there in 5 by 8, right? So you will put 5 by 8, divide by 1 by 4. So what happens? 45 by 8, divide by 1 by 4. 45 by 8 times 4 by 1, reciprocal. Multiply by its reciprocal. That will be what? 4 by 8 can be simplified, right? You can simplify any numerator with any denominator. You can write it like this as well. Now 4 by 8 is 1 by 2, right? That ends up with 45 by 2, which is 22.5. So she is preparing 22 and a half servings. She is preparing 22 and a half servings. Good job, Aniket. Manya, Sri Manya, you followed it up. Good job, Adrit. Good job. Adrit, Sri Manya, Siddh. Good job, guys. Pranavi, did you understand Pranavi and Easy?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. Arnav, did you understand how to divide fractions?
Yes, I now understood how to do it.
Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, now I'm going to stop here. And basically, I'm going to give you a review test again. As a part of the homework, maybe I'll include a little more in that assignment that we are already doing. I'll give you some question numbers to work on that assignment, and I'll give you a separate review for us to go over again and again and again what we have already covered. Any questions for me?
Is it gonna be on Google Classroom?
Yes, ma. Did you have the welcome email of grade 6, Srimanya?
I think so.
Did your mom register?
Then I shall once a clear
Okay, guys, for those of you, we are done. So we can meet next week. Have a nice week at school, but please do the homework, submit on time. For the rest of you who need to talk, please wait. Others can log off. Have a nice evening, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
See you next week.
Bye, ma.
Miss
See you.
Priya.
Yes, ma.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Ria. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Panu.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, ma. Bye. I'll talk to your dad, Arnav.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, wait.
Did you have a
see-
question?
Look
Ishta?
what I drew.
What is that? Lovely. Did you draw it by yourself?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
That's amazing. Do you draw?
Yeah, draw.
You do
Miss
love.
Priya, so we means we can talk now or tomorrow after some maybe tomorrow.
Quickly, I can let you know. Oh, just a minute.
Okay.
Kanishka, wonderful, ma. Good job.
Bye.
Keep doing and show me next week too. I really like that.